got out.
Yeah, he did.
You want to get up here?
You want to sit up there and see him? Brad, you want to get up there? Here. There you go.
He is sleeping. Cover your mouth. Touch him? Careful.
Careful with him.
Isn't he cute?
Look how little he is, Jameson. He's littler than you.
You guys want to try to hold it?
Yeah, what's up?
First room?
You want to ride that we had here? Let's see, baby brother.
Take him potty.
What? Take him flying with us?
You don't want my teacher.
Okay. Okay. Well, here. Let's go see.
Oh no.
What do you think?
Baby brother.
You like him? You give him a kiss? You've been kissing my belly for months. You can't give him a kiss? Give him a kiss right on his forehead. No? You have Ashton to hold him? Ready? Oh, that's good. Make sure you got his head. What do you think? Good?
In no time, you guys will be playing football.
I'm playing football this year.
I know you. I'm saying with him.
Pay attention to who you're holding here. Don't be bobbing your head all over. What do you think?
Good.
You think good? You turned out okay? Okay. Can you give him a kiss? Here, give him a kiss and hold it for a minute.
I'll take a picture of you kissing your little brother.
Perfect.
Are you excited to be a big brother again? Yeah.
And tomorrow we get to bring him home. So when you come home from school, we'll be right at the house.
You excited, Brody?
Ashley, can you tell Mom what you told the lady at the front desk? How many times you're a big brother now?
3.
Yep. And I'm no longer fat, I heard. Did you say that? Yeah. I heard you said that. You want to hold
Well,
him?
you gotta wait.
Okay, well,
Okay.
let's let James have a turn, okay? Okay. Can you scoot back? Get up here, James.
You gotta come up here to hold him, alright? Alright?
Okay, okay. Here, sit on your bottom, okay? Nope.
Guy's gonna fall.
Can you cross your legs?
Here.
Why don't you turn toward,
Sebastian.
Huh?
yeah.
There we go.
Here we go. Ready? Okay. Here we go.
5-4, 5-4.
Yeah.
Wow.
He is sleepy.
Oh, sorry. Camera.
He is so tired. He play with you? Yeah. You think he's cute? Play with
Him
you?
play with us.
Yeah. When he gets a little bit bigger, he will, won't he?
Your way.
Yeah. He's too heavy? It's a good thing I'm helping you, huh?
Is he almost big as you?
Yeah. Brody's helping too.
Wow.
Yeah, Ashton, hold that blanket.
There's the family.
Oh, careful of his face.
Oh.
You feel chubby. You want to see his toes? His
Toes,
first
careful.
toes. There they are.
Those are so good.
I know.
Itty, aren't they?
Why are those on?
It says his name, who he is. The nurses and doctors know who he is. Oh, careful for you.
Good job.
Hold his head up.
Hold his head there.
Is he waking up?
Up.
Yay!
You don't talk to him then? He won't open his mouth?
I'm tired.
We also can't talk.
No? Just cries. Careful, Jonas.
Oh, sorry. I was just gonna try.
Careful.
Right?
Oh, you laying down? You gonna take a nap? Okay. Oh, careful, careful. You can't just take him, okay? We gotta be careful. You wanna help him? Got it? You've got it. Okay.
Just jump right around me if you're, that's a good shot.
Careful. Remember, I gotta be really soft with him. Okay? You pat him.
Careful, Jameson.
No, the Jameson doing.
You like him, Ashton?
Should we keep him?
Forever?
Because you are going to keep him forever.
Oh, oh.
Jameson.
No, no, buddy. Come here. Get out there. Come on.
All of a sudden, he's Cody.
That's mine.
He's all of ours. It was sharing him, remember? We talked about that.
Everybody's baby brother.
Yeah. Nope, he's all of ours. We're all gonna share him, remember?
Okay. I saw him open his mouth.
You did?
Did.
Would you like to
You done?
You wanna go see
Let's
Mimi?
wipe your nose.
You wanna go see
You've
Mimi?
been so good about blowing. That way when you
Nope,
touch
not
me
yet.
again.
Here, let's get your nose wiped. There's wipes right here.
Using his tongue.
Brody, are you ready to hold him again? Stretching his
Yeah,
arms
thank
out.
you.
Does Brody have another turn of it?
Sit down on your bottom though,
On your
so you
bottom.
don't.
Ashton, can
You
you
have
believe you
good
were that
balance.
little one time?
Actually,
You
you were
were
littler than that.
Yeah.
You guys were all littler than him.
Oh,
He was
really?
bigger than all of you.
Yeah. And he was early.
Oh, that probably hurt you.
Mom, was I
No.
early?
Oh.
Mom, was I early?
Oh, you were a little early too.
Did that hurt your nose?
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's sanitizer in it. Wasn't there?
Ryan, can I
Thanks.
just get you in your head a little bit?
Hold his head, yeah. Oh, Daddy?
Oh, to Emery. Oh.
Can we get there?
Yeah?
To infinity and beyond.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Try to keep its feet covered so they don't get cold. I need to.
Hey, look. This is the building. Remember I told you this is
Smile
where
at
we're
Julian.
gonna come and see Graydon.
Smile at Julian.
It's
It's right there. Give her a
Over
smile.
here. Told him it was by his mom's house.
Brody, are you proud to be a big brother?
Come here.
Hi.
Hey!
Here.
Say a K. James.
Thanks, Grandma.
I got a lot of good